Hello, Heathrow Knights. Today, you are going to be working on your poster for the World Plumbing Day poster contest. Modern Plumbing Industry is hosting this art competition for Seminole County students. What is World Plumbing Day? World Plumbing Day is designed to raise awareness about the important role that plumbing plays in our society. We take many things for granted, such as clean drinking water, flushing toilets, and showers. Many developing countries have simplistic or non-existing plumbing. Over 1 billion people do not have access to safe water supplies, sanitation, and millions die each year from water-related illnesses. World Plumbing Day is a way to highlight the important role of the plumbing industry. World Plumbing Day is an international event on March 11th, initiated by the World Plumbing Council, celebrating the important role plumbing plays in protecting the health and safety of our society. Today, your goal is to design a poster explaining and showing the amazing benefits of plumbing. And there are a few requirements for this poster contest. First off, it has to be on a large piece of paper like you will be getting today. It can be in either direction. You can use any supplies from your supply baskets to decorate your poster today. I would start with a pencil and start very, very lightly. Next, it needs to be your own artwork. No help from parents. Next, it obviously has to say World Plumbing Day on your poster. It also needs to say March 11th so that everybody knows which day is World Plumbing Day. You can, if you wish, use one of the logos of Modern Plumbing Industry. This is the company that is hosting this art competition. I have some colorful ones for you available if you would like to include this in your art poster today. Next, if you wish to participate in this competition, you can start it today in art class, but then you will be taking it home to finish it later at home. You will have to bring it back to school when you are finished with it with a permission form. This form needs to be signed by your parents and you. You have to attach it to the back of your poster, and there's more information on there too. This is due by the end of February, so make sure you get it back to me or turn it in at the front office very soon. Okay, enough about the requirements of what needs to be on the poster. Let's talk about what you could win. This is an art competition for all of Seminole County Public Schools. All of the elementary schools and all of the middle schools are competing against each other for the first, second, and third place levels. So if your poster were to win first place in all of elementary, you would win an iPad and $500. If you won second place, you would win $250. And if you got third place, you would win a $100 bill. So make sure that you are starting your planning stage, gathering your ideas, getting it on the paper, and then you can take home your poster today with a permission form for your parents to fill out. When you're finished, attach the form to the back of your poster and bring it back to school to turn it in and participate in this World Plumbing Day poster contest. Good luck, guys.